Today we have the first live class of class 5, chapter 1, large numbers. So in this chapter we have discussed about the large numbers. In this chapter we have discussed about Indian decimal system, international decimal system, expanded form, and place value of the given numbers, and successor and predecessor. So let us start exercise 1A. Question 1 part B. The number is given. So whenever we find the predecessor, we subtract 1 to the given numbers. So we get the number 14,10,999. Same like successor. In the successor, the next number, so we add plus 1. So we have 14,11,000. So we add 1. So we get 14,11,001. Clear? Next, question number 2. Insert comma using Indian decimal system and put the number in the place value table. So number is, so comma in the Indian decimal system from the right side after 3 digits, then after every 2 digits. So we have 27,45,950. And when it put in the decimal system in the chart, so there is a first period, worst period. In the worst period we have the ones, tens, and 100. In the 1,000 period we have the 1,000 and 10,000, and in the lakhs period we have lakh and 10 lakh. So we have the 0, 5, 9 first period, and 1,000 period 5, 4, and the last period 7, 2. Now we discuss about question number 3. Write the place value of each digits. So the number starting from right side. Right side of the given numbers. First number is the 7. At the 1st place multiply by 1. At the 10th place multiply by 10. At the 100th place multiply by 100. And at the 1000th place multiply by 1000. And at the 2000th place multiply by 10,000. At the lakh place multiply by lakh. At the 10 lakh place multiply by 10 lakh. At the crore place multiply by 10 crore. So we get the place value of each digit. Next, question number 4. Write the numbers between these two given numbers. So we have the successor of the given number. So 10,000, 10 lakh 1, 10 lakh 2, 10 lakh 3, 10 lakh 4, and 10 lakh 5. Then question number 6, part A. Write the expanded form. So 7,55,81,703. So 7 crore, we have put the how many digits after 7? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7 we put the 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then plus 5. Then we have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus again 5. Then after 5 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we put the 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 8. So plus 8. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus we have 1. So how many digits after 1? So 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Plus then we have 7. After 7 we have 2 digits. So we have put the 2 zeros. And then after 0 we don't write. Then plus 3 at the 1st place. So we write plus 3. So that is the expanded form of the given number. So that is the exercise 1A. And the remaining part, same like you. students, the next exercise of class 5 chapter 1, exercise 1b. Number is given. You have to write in the first Indian system. So in the Indian system, we insert comma after 3 place, then after every 2 place. In the internal system, we insert comma on the right side after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, then after insert comma, then 1, 2, 3, again insert comma. That is the Indian internal system. Question number 2, insert comma according to Indian system, internal system. So again we know that in internal system we insert comma after every 3 digits on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, then comma, 1, 2, 3, then comma. Then next question number 3, fill in the blanks. So part A, 3 millions, and 3 millions that is equal to how many lakhs? So 30 lakhs. Then 6 10 millions, that is equal to how many crores? That is 6 crores. In the C, 4,000 equals to how many millions? That is 4 millions. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh ones, that is equal to 10 million. Next question number 4, write the periods of the underlined digits. So here we underline the 5. So 5 which period according to internal system? So that is the first period. 6 to 5 in first period, and that is the 1000 period. So 5 in the 1000th period. So that is the complete exercise 1b. Now we come on exercise 1c, where we have to comparison of 2 numbers. So comparison of 2 numbers, that is rule 1. One rule is we count the number of digits in the given numbers. Which number having the more digits that is greater, and the less digits is the smaller. And next rule, when the same digits are there, then we have to compare on the right side. The right sides values are same, then we have to next from right to left. So insert the symbols here: greater than, less than, or equal to. So the number, we count the digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have same number of digits. Then left ones, here 7 and here 6. So 7 is greater than 6. So this number is greater. Then part B, first you count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right side number have the more digits. So right side number is the greater. Next, question number 2. Find out the greatest number and smallest number from the given numbers. So first you count the number of digits in every number. Which number having the more digits, and then the greater, and that is the less digits, that is the smaller. So this number is the more digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. So the greatest number, and the smallest: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 digits. That is the smallest number. Now we are question number 3. Arrange in descending order. So when we talking about descending order, so descending means decreasing. If we talking about Hindi, घटता हुआ. So that is the number, greatest number having the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. It has 9 digits. It has 8 digits. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits. 9, 8, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So arrange in the decreasing order. When it talking about in descending, that is decreasing order. Now question number 4. Opposite of question number 3. Here we arrange in decreasing order, and in question number 4 we arrange in increasing order. Increasing order means in ascending order. So in ascending, that means बढ़ता हुआ. So we write the smallest to greatest, छोटे से बड़ा. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Having 7 digits, so write first. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both having 7 digits, but there is 300 and there is 308. So right side 308. That is a smaller than that. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is having 8 digits. That is greater than both the previous two numbers. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this number having 9 digits. So this is the greatest number in the given series. So this exercise once is completed, remaining questions do like these parts. Exercise 1D explanation. Question 1. From the given number of digits, write the smallest number and greatest number. So when we write the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. And when we write the greatest number, we write the given digits in descending order. So from the digits 3, 5, 7, 1, 9, 2. When we write the smallest number, so we arrange in ascending order. So first we write 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Then the smallest number from the given digits. Now greatest number, so we arrange in descending order. So first we write 9, 7, 5, 3, 2, then 1. That is the greatest number obtained. Now question number 3. Digits are given 4, 6, 3, 8 and 7. So how many digits are given there? We have only 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And question have to ask smallest 8-digit number and greatest 8-digit number. So in this type of question, students, when we write the smallest 8-digit number, so we repeat the smallest digit 8 times. So we repeat the 3, 4 times. Then the remaining digits arranged in the ascending order. So smallest 8-digit number is 4 times 3, then 4, then 6, then 7, then 8. And the greatest 8-digit number, so when we write the greatest 8-digit number is, so we write the greatest then 7, 6, 4, then 3. Now question number 4, digits are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smallest 8-digit number when 1 is at tens place. That is the condition for the question. 1 is the constant at tens place. And number is the smallest. So we arrange in ascending order. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1 is the fixed place, tens place, then 8. So that is the smallest 8-digit number using the given digits when 1 is at fixed place, tens place. Clear? So same like remaining questions we can solve. Now we come on exercise 1E where we have study about estimation. That means where we study about round of nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000 and so on. So nearest 10 we look the ones place of the given number. If ones place is less than 5, so we replace 0 and the preceding value remains same. For example, if we take 41, so that is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, so nearest 10 we can write 40. If 5 are more than 5, then question 1 is 35. Here we have in one place 5. So when we round off nearest 10, so here 5, so preceding digits increased by 1. So 5 replaced by 0 and 3 increased by 1. 3 plus 1, 4, that is 40. Next part, that the number is given 159. Here we have one place is 9 and which is more than 5. So we add 1. That means 9 replaced by 0 and preceding digits increased by 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, then 1. So your answer is 170. And are close to 169. Now nearest 100. When we talking about nearest 100, we look the digit of the given number tens place. Same rule which in the round of 10. Here we look the tens place. So here we have number is 575 and tens place digit is 7. And which is more than 5. So 1's place replaced by 0 and 10th place also replaced by 0 and preceding of tens at the 100 place increased by 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So that is 600. So 575 very close to 600, not very close to 500. So which closure? And write the multiple of 100 and the tens multiple of 10. Next number is 9,910. So here we have tens place is 1 which is less than 5. So we replace 0 like same 0, 1 replaced by 0. And remaining digits are same as given. So we have obtained 9,900. That is the round of nearest 100 of 9,910. Now question number 3, round of nearest 1000. So when we talking about nearest 1000, So we look the hundred place of the given number. So here we have hundred place digit is 9. So 5 replaced by 0, 9 also replaced by 0, and 9 replaced by 0, and 4 engaged by 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And remaining digits are same, 7, 1, 5 equal 0. Next part, number is given 2963 250. So here we have 100 place digit 2, which is less than 5, which is less than 5. So replace by 0, replace by 0, and 3 increased by same like because less than 2. So number is 2963 0 0 0. So these are the estimation of rounding of nearest 10, 100, 1000. Same rules are applied in the 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and so on. So these are the explanation of exercise 1E. Exercise 1F based on large Roman numbers. So we study Roman numbers from the class PG 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. In the class 5, we know the basic symbols of the Roman numbers. 1, that the first 5 Roman symbol, 10 Roman symbol, 50 L, and 100 C, and 500 D, and 1000 M, 2000 MM. So first we know some rules. When a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it repeated. Its value is added as many times as it repeated. If we are talking about symbol for 10, it is the X. Again next symbol X. So we have XX. So value will be added. That means 10 and plus 10, that is equal to 20. So 20 is for XX. Clear? Next, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Only I, X, C, M only repeated. VLD are not repeated. VLD, they are only repeated, and VLD, these three symbols are not repeated. Clear? Now rule 2, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of symbol of greater value, smaller value is added to the greater value. That means V1, V for 5 and 1 for that 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So when symbol of smaller value written to the right of symbol of greater value, to the right side. Next rule, when a symbol of smaller value written is left of symbol, so smaller value is separated from the greater value. Smaller value is separated from the greater value. That is, if we take I, B, then the 4, then the 5 and minus 1, so we get 4. Understand? Next, if a smaller number is placed between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. That means, if we are talking about xib, There is a 10, and there is a 5, then 1. So 5 minus 1, 10 plus 5 minus 1. So we have 14. 10 plus 5 minus 1, we get 14. Now come on exercise 1F. So first question, write the corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following Roman numbers. Part A, XL, II. So L is the 50, and at the right of L, X. So we subtract 50 minus 10. So 40. 2 has 10, 40, then 41, 42. So we write 42. That is the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now XC1. So we know C, that is the 100, and X right, the right side of the C. So we subtract. So 100 minus 10. So we get 90, and plus 1, so 91. Next, DLX. Single M is 1000 and double M 2000. So 2000, D 500, so 2500, and LX. So 50 plus 10, 60. So 2560. 2560. Now write in Roman. Hindu-Arabic are given. Write in Roman numerals. So 38. So 38, 30. Symbol for 10, X. So 3 times. So X. Then 30. Then 8. So V. Then I. Then 38. Next number is 437. So D for 500, and if we write C to the right of D, so we have CD. That means 500 minus 100, that is 400 and 37. Next 335. So 100, C for 100, here we have 300. So we write C 3 times. So we get 300. Then 35. So X. 30. Then 5. Now next question is, which Roman numbers are meaningless? That means there is no meaning. That means they have not followed the rules of the Roman numbers. They not follow the rules of Roman numbers. So part A, DCVX. That is not correct, because we never right of X. That is left of X. XV 15, not VX. Not anymore. Next is MCXX 111. So we talking about rules. So we write only 3 times 111. But here 111 4 times, that is wrong. So these two are wrong. Now question number 4. Write the given years in Roman numerals. So these are the Roman numbers. Number is 2018, year 2018. So 2000, we know in the starting 1000 for M and 2000 for MM. So we write M, there are 2000, then 18, so 10, 5, 1, 1, 1, 18, so 2018. Next is 2020. 2020. So again we know that 2000, and the M 2000 and 20 X. Next, question number 5. Write the numbers in the sequence in the form of Roman numbers. So here sequence is given from 10 to 15. From 10 to 15. The 10 plus 1 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are the numbers in sequence. Sequence means in ascending order. Now next is from 1050 to 1055. So 1000 M 50 L 1050 and 1051 ML1, 1052 ML2, 1053 ML3 and 1054 ML4 and 1055 ML5. So this time we can write the Roman numbers according to the rules of the Roman. So students, this is the exercise 1F explanation. Do the remaining questions, lecture questions like same. These are the part A, C, E, question 4, 5. So you have to solve the questions very clearly. Thank you, students.